Step 1. Pop domain add tag types. So the good news is you can send traffic in 3 ways. Once you get through the verification process, it's time to decide how you're going to send your traffic to Zeropark. So depending on your needs and possibilities, you can choose zero-click or redirect URL. And no matter what you choose, you need to send traffic separated by ad tags. One endpoint equals one ad tag. If you have different types of traffic, you may need different ad tags. And if all of your traffic is similar, you may only need to use one. So let's talk about zero-click. Now, if you use XML, JSON, or OpenRTB to integrate, you're going to need to use the zero-click feed. So with this feed, you send Zeropark a request, they parse it and reply with the bid and the campaign URL. If they win the auction, then the visitor you're sending will be redirected to the URL under the redirect parameter of the response. You set up the name, the fallback, and choose one of the above options from the last step. You can see the exemplary request and response in your panel. Just remember to populate the exemplary parameters with your data. Sending real domains is crucial. We don't accept blind domain feeds. Once your feed is accepted, you can start sending requests. Sending the right parameters helps match your traffic with the right supply, so don't underestimate it. Now let's talk about your redirect URL. If you don't have the possibility of integrating any of the above formats, or if you prefer to use a simple redirect, you can use the URL add tag type. With this type of add tag, you'll get the URL that you need to redirect your visitors to. It couldn't be any more simple. So with simplicity comes limitations. You can't decide in real time whether you actually sell the visit based on the bid Zeropark returns. It is based on whether the bid meets the CPM set by you in the URL. If there is no demand at your floor CPM price in our system, then the visitor will go to the fallback. That means that you cannot ask for the price for multiple partners at the same time.